Thank you. Thank you. I'm
Sir,
back.
964
Thank you very much. Thank you.
91625364.
Yeah. Oh, that's right.
14 91 62 63 64 96 48 11 00।
Smart work.
Much can.
That's a smart work. Absolutely. You know, I appreciate that. Interesting. You know, Drishti, and after Drishti, who came? Is it who's that? After Drishti, who was the person who said?
Yes, sir. Drishta.
Drishta. After Drishta, who was the person who came and I forgot the name. Yes, you are right. You know, yes, someone remembered this 149, 162, 536, 496, 481, 100. Like somebody, but actually, it is actually the relationships. You know, relationships. It's 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. So if you catch it, sometimes you have to catch the relationships to be there. So creativity is seeing everyone else have seen and thinking what no one else have thought. That's what I'm saying. Okay, now I'm giving a small task to you. So please take the case of a pencil. एक पेंसिल को हम कैसे यूज करें? एक तो लिखने के अलावा, other than writing, can you write down, you know, different types of uses? क्या होता है आपकी notebook में लिख लीजिए कितना, you can as many as different ways of how people can use a pencil. Come on, list down 1, 2, 3, 4. I will use it like this. It can be used like this. अलग-अलग चीजों में कहाँ पे? It can be used even as a paperweight के जैसे भी कभी हवा में कागज उड़ के नहीं जाना है तो paperweight की तरफ अलग-अलग तरीके से. So what are the different things for which you think people can use a pencil for other than writing? Let me see how creative you are.
Sketching, sir.
Find and write in our notepad. आपके notepad में लिखिए पेंसिल को other than writing क्या uses हो सकता है, कैसे उसको हम यूज कर सकते हैं out of the, you know, conventional, unconventional also. Conventional uses, unconventional uses. Okay, great. Anybody got 10 uses? 10 uses? How many uses you could write? Yeah. Oh my God. Yes. Yeah. Ladies use it for tying their hair. Okay. Bookmark. Yes, bookmark. Kitab mein bookmark jaisa bhi. Gift ki taraf bhi. Very good, Akash. Very good. Yes. Anshul, that we girls used to make bun of hair. Absolutely, Anshul. Just start to point someone. Okay, yeah, Mohit, right? Okay. Yeah, decoration, switch on the fan, to switch off the fan, give, sell, sajawat mein. Very good. Absolutely. Look at that. I also guessed it. You look at the girls use it like that. To tie their hair, you know, sometimes you can make different kinds of diagrams and different pictures and variety. This is like out of that. Now, I'm having another interesting thing. Aapki kitab mein bhi I say 9 dots likhiye. 9 dots likhiye. I want to really test your creativity. आज आपका creativity देखना चाहता हूँ. आपकी किताब में भी 9 dots, dot 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9 dots ऐसे ही 1, 2, 3 rows में लिख लीजिए. लिख लिया ना? अभी now you have to connect these 9 dots with 4 straight lines without lifting your pen. Without lifting your pen or pencil, you have to connect all the 9 dots with 4 straight lines. किया कोई किसी ने किया तो done. Shout, say done. Wow, Akash Chauhan did it. Interesting. और कोई कर पाया? 4 straight lines, not 5. and you have to connect all the 9 dots. Very good. Swarnima did it. Fantastic. चलो, जैसे मैंने किया देखेंगे क्या आप भी ऐसे किया और कोई दूसरी ढंग से किया देखेंगे. Can I show you now? Very good. Done. Pavan Patidar done. Sonu done. Anshul done. Very good. Let me see. Let me see if you did it like this. 1, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4.
Yes, sir.
You did it like this?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Anshul, Diksha, and everyone. See,
Actually, sir, I made
1,
it kind like
2, 3, 4. What did I do? I went beyond the dots. I went out of the, I did not restrict, say if I go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. बीच में एक रह जाता है. But क्या किया मैंने? I went beyond, out of this boundaries. I went beyond the boundaries. I went away from it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, you can even connect these 9 dots with the 3 lines. If you try. How? Let us take a look. 1, 2, 3. Anyway, just trying to say. So you're going out of the box. This is what we call out of the box thinking. Out of the box thinking. Look at this elephant, you know. Elephant has got phenomenal power. But if we tie a small peg to a small chain, though it has all the strength to break this chain or to pull this peg out of the ground, उनकी ताकत है, फिर भी वो ताकत को वो इस्तेमाल नहीं करता है क्योंकि उनका माइंडसेट ऐसा कंडीशन हो गया. माइंडसेट ऐसा कंडीशन हो गया. ऐसे ही उनका माइंड कंडीशन हो गया. वो खुद वो बाउंड्री में वो जहां तक जैसे उनको लगता है इसको मैं नहीं तोड़ पाऊंगा, तो ऐसा बोलते हुए वहां है उसी. इट रिस्ट्रिक्ट्स इटसेल्फ विद इन द डायमीटर. ऐसे ही हम भी we keep ourselves invisible fences लगाते हैं, हमारे दिमाग में लगाते हैं. ओ मैं नहीं बोल पाता हूं, मैं नहीं कर सकता हूं, मैं वहां नहीं जा सकता हूं, मैं ये जो कुछ नहीं है वहां पे, कुछ नहीं, बट दिमाग में है. दिमाग में my mind is conditioned like this because of which I'm unable to do it. So another thing, हमारे दिमाग में 2 भाग होता है, left brain, right brain. Left brain is generally numbers brain, a verbal, analytical. ये पूरा left brain is a पूरा calculations वगैरह everything. But the right side one is the imaginative one, the creative one, the emotional one, the non-rational one, the aesthetic, whatever it is, the right side. So in order to be developing creativity, we must activate. Generally, we use our left brain a lot. We use the left brain a lot. We use it so we can enhance it, but this is not used much. So this is what we should also be using to be more creative. I was asking the students to come up. मैं आपसे भी पूछा था, आपने मेरे को नहीं भेजा, but one student today, 1 or 2 students हमारे कॉलेज से भी मेरे को भेजा. मैं दिखाऊंगा, but पहले एक प्रोफेसर जयशंकर तेलंगाना स्टेट एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी, वहां पे भी मैंने ऐसा एक क्रिएटिव एक्टिविटी क्या किया बोलते हुए पूछा. तो एक स्टूडेंट, हिज नेम इज कंदुला वरुण कुमार, he sent me a video, which he did during the pandemic period, and all that. Let me show that video to you. Okay, take a look. I would like to share with you the story of a student who inspired me a lot. And he was one of the participants of my recent the second and he is Mr. Kandula Varun Kumar. Let me tell you today why I was so much inspired by this student, Varun Kumar. Varun was one of the most active participants of the training webinar. He used to be among the first students who raised their hands when I sought to volunteers. His English was not that great, and he was not a great speaker, but he would grab all the opportunities to stand up and speak out. He was not bothered about what others think. He wants to explore the opportunities and he wants to give. He was so inspiring to me and to all of the students who participated in that webinar. Believe me, he volunteered to participate in almost all of the activities that I asked the students to do. At one time, even I had to stop him and request him to allow other students get the opportunities. He sent me the other day a video which he made all by himself during these days, when he's homebound. Looks like he saw a picture of a fountain and got inspired and repurposed that fountain using the materials available at his home. And he created a video of the fountain he made at his home. And he shared it with me with so much of enthusiasm and requested me to share it with others on my YouTube channel. Here it is. Please take a look at it. It's indeed very well done. It is so nice of him. He's indeed awesome, isn't he? Varun hails from a small town, Suryapet. And when I asked him what his ambition is, he told me he would like to become a great agriculture scientist and he wanted to serve the nation and also the farmers. I'm very much inspired by Varun's enthusiasm, his willingness to learn and contribute. I'm very fortunate to work with so many students. Okay, that's Varun Kumar. Look at all these paintings. So this is a painting done during this pandemic time, stay alert, COVID-19. Look at this art by K. Varun Kumar. And look at this another simple arts, of course, but still the enthusiasm, he's done this. And there's one girl, she made a video and she shared this video. And that video, her name is Archana Nerella, her name, and she made a video in a very creative manner. Look at this video about agriculture, about farming. Hope you liked the video. In fact, she also asked me to share this video on my YouTube channel, and I did it. Okay, wonderful. How beautifully she thought about agriculture. Agriculture is not just about crops. It's much more than it. Agriculture is a home. Agriculture is a home for many things. Wonderful. Other day I asked for your final years, I asked them, did you do something creativity? And creativity during COVID-19. This is presented by Nilima Lodhi, Vibhuti, Choksey, Shalu Rajput, and Sejal Thakur. They did this, a few days back when we had the training. Human Resource Development Chart DAP. This is different villages where they've gone work, and they did several activities, during this period. Okay, look at that. Yeah. Variety things, very well covered in media as well. Jahangirpura, Hasnabad, and look at that. They did several things. Under this REK Seha. They went to different places. They educated the people. They alerted them. They have given lots of human resource development things. And
Sir, I want to say,
yeah. Who's that?
sir, I was also there in program.
You're also there as a part of the team?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. Very good to know that. And they were awarded by the dean, sir, for their good work. Then they were awarded the certificates. And and also these are some of the paintings done by, look at this, Nilima Lodhi, and the World Water Day, World Water in 22nd March. And they got some prizes also for this. Nilima Lodhi, Shalu Rajput, and look at this value of water is life. Deans are appreciated, again, their this thing. And then, again, some kind of banners, posters they made for during the COVID time. Look at that. Look at great job. And RSS, Rashtriya, NSS, right? NSS, not RSS, NSS, National Service Scheme, right? Under that, they have also done something related to COVID-19 and water container for birds in summer. Look at that, so nice of them, yeah. Great. This is how they shared. They made the presentation, and they made the presentation in the training class like this. 10 years back when we had this program, they went for this. Okay, blackberry plantations they've done, and oh my God, look at that. And Children Be Creatively by Nilima Lodhi. Look at that. Again, stop child marriage. And who asked the question and all this? Look at that. Nilima Lodhi. Some more creative things here. Wow. And again, this is again like so the ladybird beetle, I believe. The interesting thing with the paddy. Okay, very good. Growing spinach at home, and plants are planted by her during at home, and creative with food. Sejal Thakur, she learned cooking, and she also made different kinds of foods, buns, and different kinds of foods. I don't know what do you call it. Okay, and yes, these are all the creative things they have done, and they shared. Oh my God, look at that! They shared all this. I want to appreciate. So I am looking for something from you. And I received an interesting poem, which is very inspiring, and it's sent by Krishna Jain from College of Agriculture, Gwalior. So I would like to invite Krishna Jain to quickly take us through in 2 to 3 minutes, 3 or 4 minutes, not more than that. Very quickly, Krishna, take us through your presentation.
Yes, sir. Hi, hello, good afternoon to one and all present here. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Krishna Jain. I'm from College of Agriculture, Gwalior. So I wanted to recite a poem today. That is F. The poem's name is F by Rudyard Kipling. So a little bit about a quick note into the author. Rudyard Kipling was born in India. And so his work is mostly influenced by Indian work. And one of his famous work is The Jungle Book. And every one of us has heard about it. Back in the days, it was a cartoon, and then it became a movie. So this is part of great minds and people all around the world, and I hope it would inspire every one of us. If is actually a piece of advice. Okay, Rudyard Kipling. Okay, this is some of his famous works. Okay, The Jungle Book, The Man Who Would Be King. Then some of the poems also, The Gods of the Copybook Headings, The White Man's Burden, The United States and Philippine Islands. So next slide. Yeah. Okay, he was also the youngest Nobel Prize laureate. He got at the age of 41, he received Nobel Prize for Literature, And he also was honored with British Poet Laureateship and knighthood, but he declined it. And moving on to the poem, if is actually a piece of advice from a father to a son. And we know that times have changed and no daughter is less than a son. So this is for every one of us. Now it goes like this. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting. If you can wait and not be tired of waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating. And yet don't look too good, not talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same. If you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or the things you gave your life to, broken, and stoop and build them again with worn out tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toes, and lose and start again at your beginning and never breathe a word about your lips. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after it's gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. If we can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose a common touch. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count on you, but none too much. If we can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it. And which is more, you'll be a man, my son. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you, Krishna. That's very inspiring. Oh my God. Oh my God, the Nobel Prize winner for literature, Rudyard Kipling. I was not knowing that he was born in India. Oh my God, phenomenal. Thank you so much for coming forward, for inspiring us with this poem, with that two-letter word, F. F.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity, sir. This is one of my favorite poems and I just wanted to share it with everyone. I hope it inspires every one of us.
Yes, it has. It has inspired all of us. Very good to know that I was not aware of it. Thank you for presenting this beautiful gift to all of us. Thank you very much. And I would like to request more volunteers from tomorrow and day after. I understand there are beautiful singers.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I request to Krishna to share this poems group, WhatsApp group.
Okay, sure. कल के दिन ऐड करेंगे कल के दिन.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow you'll get the opportunity to present it. Okay, we'll go ahead with the, we have very little time left and we have some wonderful presentations waiting for us. Okay, okay. So why not we do one thing? It's 507. So today, why not I take this communication skills part for tomorrow. I'll take communication skills part for tomorrow. And today, let me straight away go into, it will take some time. It'll take some time. So I want to really, okay, let's go to, we will work on communication skills tomorrow. Let me look at leadership skills, communication skills. I want to deal not in a hurry because I want to deal exclusively for tomorrow, a greater length of communication skills, entrepreneurship skills, and selling skills. Tomorrow we'll look at that. So let me now work on leadership skills. So I have a question to you. Do you think leaders are born or made? Are they born or made?
Born.
They are born leaders.
They're born. Leaders are the born means if you are a great leader, you should be a leader by birth. Or you are
Leaders
born,
are made.
or you can. Leadership skills can be acquired. Though you are not a leader, but still you can become a great leader by acquiring. Leadership skills are acquired. If you can acquire them, you are made. If you cannot acquire them, if it has to come from your genes only, then it is by birth. Leaders are born and leaders are made. So those people say leaders are born, actually leaders can be made. Leadership skills can be acquired at any point in your life. You can acquire, you can learn and acquire those skills and become a great leader. Yes, it's possible. It's possible. It's possible. So leadership personality. Generally, we used to, it's like, look at the things like appreciation, commitment, responsibility, strategy, implementation, humility, listening, communications are all there. But in today, that's generally the olden days. But now the aaj ke zamane mein, the leadership bolenge to, look at those big things. You have to be very creative. And yeah, you take. Thank you, Jayesh. Thank you very much. Okay. You have to be passionate, you have to take the initiative. These are the big things. Collaboration. These are the leadership traits, leadership qualities. Creativity, passionate, collaborative, and initiative. These are the things. These are the things more than the management, business. These earlier days, how your managerial capabilities, your performance, your business growth capabilities, your execution capabilities. These are the things that we see. But in today's scenario, is collaboration, inability to take initiative, creativity, and passion. These are the qualities which today's modern day leaders should possess in order to become successful and lead the teams. And I'm going to share with you some special tips today, some special tips and special qualities of leaders today. But before that, we have some great team presentations on leadership. Before that, I would like to request our teams to come forward and present to us. Our teams are ready with great presentations about great leaders. What is their success? What are the qualities that help them become so successful? And the lessons they have learned. That's what they're going to share. So each team will have maximum 5 minutes. Okay, please keep track of your time. Go quickly and present it. And we have first team coming from College of Agriculture, Gwalior, Shivansh and Priyanshi. All the best to you. Go ahead. Your time starts now.
First of all, good evening, everyone. My name is Shivansh, and I'm from College of Agriculture, Gwalior. So when we talk about great leaders, there are certain leaders that always strikes my mind. One is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, another is Swami Vivekanand ji, and the third is Ratan Naval Tata ji. So I chose Ratan Tata sir because of the things he had done in the past 2 years when we talk about the COVID era. So I thought that this would be the right platform to know that what are the leadership skills he possesses. So I would be like to share 2 of his most successful stories. And as we know, that Ratan Tata sir, he was an industrialist, he's a philanthropist. Right now, he's not the chairman, but he was a former chairman of the Tata Sons, which is one of the largest industry which possesses in the world, with more than 110 of its market suppliers and more than 30 of its chains, which comes under the Tata groups. So I would request Priyanshi to please tell us about the first story of his success and the leadership skills that he possesses.
Wonderful, Shivansh. Great beginning. Super.
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm Priyanshi from College of Agriculture, Gwalior. And today I'm here to tell you about a short story of Sir Ratan Tata's achievements and how we should learn from his life. And I'll give you the reasons why he is worthy of all the admiration he gets from across the world.
Super.
Ratan Tata was born on 28 December 1937. He is an Indian industrialist and philanthropist. Like Tata, 66% of group shares are owned by philanthropist groups. And he was a former chairman of Tata Sons. And from 1990 to 2012, he was again an interim chairman from October 2016 through February 2017, and continues to head its charitable trust. And he also received 2 highest civilian awards of India, the Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan. So next slide. Now I'll share a short story of his hard work and the meeting that changed his life. and it also tells how broad vision person he was. The Ford and Tata, the 1919 saga. In 1990s, India's first ever indigenous car named Indica was launched by Tata. But in spite of seen as a landmark achievement, it didn't yield the desired commercial success. So due to that, the Tata Motors decided to sell the car division to Ford. And for that, he went to the chairman of Ford, Will Ford, and in that meeting, he received a humiliating treatment from that chairman. So post that meeting, he decided not to sell the car division, and he came back and he put all his focus on the Tata Motors and worked even harder, which tells us the failure is the greatest motivation. And again, the tables turned, and after 9 years in 2008, Ford's Jaguar and Land Rover was bought by them, and it became one of the most successful selling cars of Tata Motors. So here we can see the success is the greatest achievement, and we should always. So next slide. And the learnings which we get from this story is that we should always be hardworking, determined, have self-belief and faith in ourselves. We should always be ready to take the risk, doing the right things. Like Ratan Tata's always say that I don't take the right decisions, but I take decisions and make them right. So we should learn from that. And we should also learn the passion to succeed from him. Now I would like to hand over the slide to Shivansh
Superb,
from here
Priyanshi.
onwards. Thank you, sir.
Great job, Priyanshi. Well said. Well presented. Beautiful.
So when we talk about success, there are certain things which comes to our mind. That are you passionate enough to follow your dreams? That is the first step. Is the first stepstone which I personally believe that you should take towards if you want to get success in your life. Second thing is that are you having positive approach towards it? Because there are two types of approach. If you are not having a positive approach, then you are not going to succeed in your life, because there won't be any interesting ideas, there won't be any creative things, there won't be any interactive things which you can get when you are living in a negative approach and you are having a negative mindset. And when you're having such things, when you're having self-confidence, when you're having self-belief, when you're having enough of self-esteem, when you're having such creativity, then nobody can stop you from success. So next slide, please. Then when we talk about comparison, see, there is two types of, when you talk about approaches. When you talk about positive approach, it gives you good mental health. Good mental health relatively is proportional to innovative decisions which you can take. And when we take innovative decisions, there should be willingness to take risk, because this is the first thing which entrepreneurs talks about. When you talk about entrepreneurs, the first thing that is, are you able to take risk? And when you are able to take risk, you should be knowing the pros and cons of it. So I'm not taking to take risk only because there might be any false stops also, but the thing is that we have to take risk with a right approach towards it. That if my plans doesn't work, what I'm going to do after that? There should be a plan B for, there should be in every plan B for every plan A. The next thing is striving to do more. You should not stop if after getting success. When you talk about Jeff Bezos, he already said that if when we talk about his worth, he said that I am having enough of work that I can live for 200 years without doing any job. But that doesn't make me productive. That makes me a burden to the society. And another thing, what with positive approach is, it boosts our self-confidence. Now, the things with negative approach is also the same. It affects our health badly. It restricts the thinkings and so on. So next slide, please. So the second story which I love about the Tata, he works for the development. He works for his people, and that's what makes him different from others. So firstly, when I talk about the concept of nano, there is a story which I guess most of you have read, that he was going home in a rainy day in his own car, and he saw a family of four going on a scooty right next to them, and it was a rainy day, so they were all pretty much wet. And when they were going ahead, the scooty fall down, and they all were lying on the road. So from there, he came with the concept of nano, because we know that in a society with so many of people and so less of work available to us, there isn't everyone who can afford a car. So he wanted to bring nano so that everyone can afford that car, and everyone can have a luxurious life, and everyone can have a comfortable life. And similarly, when you talk about 2611, the biggest tragedy that has happened to India, he was the only one amongst so many of the businessmen who was standing right next to the barricade when his people were inside the Taj Hotel, which is another venture owned by the Tata groups. So that shows it how great personality he is, because being such a wonderful personality, being such a great leader, it doesn't makes him he's not enough capable to stand right next to the barricade. But when he stands, it shows it how confident he is to taking the risk. And yes, another thing is 66% of his wealth is being donated to the Tata groups, which is under the medical health cares and under the Society for Development of Children for Education and so on. And the another thing is that the projects that Tata owns, they not only works for the benefit of their own, but they works for the benefit of others. So next slide, please.
One
So at
minute,
the end-
1 minute, close it, please. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Sure, sir. So the learnings get is from the story of Ratan Tata ji is that humbleness. Being standing next to it is the great humbleness, which I learned from his politeness. The way he talks, the way he
Sure.
speaks shows how polite he is. Positive mindset shows that how positively he works for the development of not only himself, not only his company, but all the people who are working in the company. Healthy behavior. So this is what most of the people lacks in themselves. Healthy behavior is not only having a behavior which is good for you, but having a behavior which is good for all. And at the last, what I personally believe is living for all. We are in a society, we are going to live 60 or 70 years. We can't just live for ourselves. We have to live for the society and for the betterment of all. So thank you very much. These all were some of the learnings which I get from him. Thank you, sir.
Superb, superb. Thank you, Shivansh. Thank you, Priyanshi. That's a beautiful presentation. Lovely. Colorful slides, bright slides, excellent delivery, superb stories. Beautiful, my God. I'm so much impressed. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Now, we have the team from REAK, College of Agriculture, Sehar.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Go ahead.
I am Priyanshi Jain, and I want to present a presentation on Rani Rampal, who is Indian women's hockey team captain. So, yes, I want Manju to take forward with the presentation.
You want to pronounce the names of your team members?
Thank you,
Yes.
Priyanshi.
All my team members, I, Priyanshi Jain, Manju Chokse, Roshni Yadav, Naina Jha, and Astha. So I want Manju to present first.
Very good.
Thank you, Priyanshi. My name is Manju Choksa and I am from RK College of Agriculture, Sehar. Who is a leader? Leader, the person who leads or commands. Leader must have a vision. They are ethical and civic minded. They practice effective cross-cultural communication. Leader must know how to manage success and failure. They are self-aware and prioritize personal development. They focus on developing others. They encourage strategic thinking, innovation, and action. They are ethical and civic minded. They practice effective and cross-cultural communication. Rani Rampal. Rani Rampal born on 4th December 1994 in Sahabad, Markanda in the Kurukshetra district of Haryana, India. She is currently the captain for India women's hockey team. She is well known as a striker who often doubles up as midfielder. She plays forward for her team. Here are some of the achievements of Rani. Am I audible?
Yes, Manju. Manju, yeah. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Here's the achievements achieved by Rani Rampal. She won Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, which is the highest supporting honor of India. She also won Padma Shri in the year 2020, which is the highest Indian national honor. She also awarded with the Arjuna Award under her captaincy. India reached in the semi-final in Tokyo Olympics, first time in the history of India after inclusion of women's hockey in Olympics. She led the Indian women's hockey team as captain in Asian Games, where they won a silver medal, and was India's flag bearer for the closing ceremony of the game. She was part of Indian hockey team when the team qualified for Rio Olympics after 36 years. She was the part of Women's Asian Cup and they won the title second time in 2017 in Japan. She was also adjudged the player of the tournament at the Junior World Cup, which India finished with bronze medal. Now I would like to call Priyanshi to take the presentation forward. Thank you.
Very good, Manju. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Manju. When I was going through Rani Rampal's success story, here are some points I found out. She, right from the childhood, she was from a very poor family. Her family did not support her dream, but she did not like the condition of her family. She was in a village and they had electricity shortage and they did not have enough money. So here are some points. Uh, Strong determination. Right from her childhood, she wanted to play hockey. Her father was poor, couldn't buy new hockey stick for her, so she used to practice with a broken hockey stick.
Wow.
So, second point, hard work. She couldn't afford to pay the coach for her training, but she tried convincing him, and he agreed to teach her. After that, she never missed a single day at practice. It was very hard for her to convince him because she was not paying, but the coach eventually agreed to teach her.
Lovely.
Then third point, family support. When the first time she earned reward money at some sport event, she gave it to her father. Her father was very proud of her ever since and always supported her throughout the journey. And then comes optimism. She belonged to a poor family. Her father used to earn literally rupees 80 per day. But apart from the odds, she never lost hope and she kept chasing her goal until she reached success.
Amazing.
Now I would like to ask Nana to take forward the presentation.
Thank you, Priyanshi. I'm Nana Jha. I'm Nana Jha from RK College of Agriculture, Sihor, and I would like to talk about some other leaders who changed the face of India with their achievements. So first, I will talk about Geeta Gopinath. Geeta Gopinath is a Harvard economist who became the first Indian woman to assume the position of chief economist at IMF. And she is originally from Kerala and is the daughter of a farmer entrepreneur.
Wow.
And second is Hima Das. Hima Das is the first Indian athletes to win gold at the IAAF World Under 20 Athletes Championship in 2018, held at Finland, and later she went to win gold and silver medal at the Asian Games held at Jakarta. And she currently holds the Indian national record in 400 meter with a timing of 50.79 seconds. And third is Mary Kom. She is an Indian Olympic boxer from Manipur. She is the only woman to achieve #1 position in the International Boxing Association after becoming the world amateur boxing champion for a 6-time record. So now I would like to call Roshni Yadav to take presentation forward.
Excellent, Naina. Thank you, Naina.
Thank you, Nana. My name is Roshni Yadav from RK College of Agriculture, Sihor. And the next is Sudha Murthy. It is an Indian engineering teacher, author, and social worker. She is the chairperson of the Infinite Foundation. She won Padma Shri Award. She is the first female engineer hired in India's auto manufacturers company Tata. Qualities in her. Miss Murthy is all women in one. She is determined doer, a gladiator, a realized social worker. To be depend upon yourself and know that courage has to be born with you. It takes time, but you have to work for it. Thank you, sir.
Roshni, good job.
Next. So here are some pictures of Rani Rampal after her success. So next slide. So here I have mentioned the sources of all the information we could gather about Rani Rampal and other leaders. Thank you.
Excellent. Super. Thank you. Team Ek se ho, Priyanshi Jain, Manju Chokshi, Roshni Yadav, Naina Jha. Congratulations. Very good. So inspiring. Such an inspiring leader. Captain of India's women's hockey team. You know, when Indians were playing in Tokyo, the Olympics, every day, my God, the whole nation was talking about it. Later, even WhatsApp, we all got messages about Rani Rampal, her story, her small beginning, how, you know, the whole story that I remember having read on some WhatsApp. You know, super. You chose a great leader. And let's hope she will win many more medals for India. You know, our national sport, national game is hockey. And that's where, we need to come back again. Jan Chan was the star of that. Let's hope the good days are ahead for us. Thank you very much. Now, can I invite College of Agriculture, Indore. The team from Indore.
Shall we start, sir?
Anshul, go ahead, Anshul.
Okay, sir. Thank you. You must unite behind the signs. You must take action. You must do the impossible because giving up can never be an option. A very cheerful good evening, one and all present over here. We, the student of College of Agriculture, Indore, are here to present a presentation on our chosen leader, Greta Thunberg. Firstly, I would like to introduce you with my team members, myself, Anshul Sharma, adjoining with Aman Srivastava, Swarnima Kaurav, Sakshi Tiwari, and Jayesh Gautam. Starting with the, sir, can you please change the slide?
Yeah, I'm doing it. Manju Chokshi, could you please mute yourself? Manju, could you please mute yourself?
So, here with the introduction of Greta Thunberg. Greta Thunberg was born on January 6, 2003. As a child, she was diagnosed with two syndromes, obsessive compulsive disorder and Asperger's syndrome. She has a brilliant capability of having a photographic memory. She knows all the capitals by heart and can list all the chemical elements of the periodic table just in a minute. In addition, Greta was able to see what others can't. She can see CO2 with naked eyes and how it flows out of the chimneys and change the atmosphere in a landfill. After all her experiences, Mayor at the age of 15 years, she protested outside the Swedish parliament to pressure the government to meet carbon emission targets and to take immediate action for climate change. At first, her parents aren't fond of her plans. They said if she were to do this, she had to do it completely by herself and with no support of them. Now, I would like to invite Swarnima for further go.
Thank you, Anshu. Good afternoon, myself Swarnima Kaurav. A journey to the top is always an uphill battle, which was no different for Greta, a young activist, a girl mere 15. Apart from her young age, which was already a challenge by itself, she was diagnosed by 3 mental disorders, Asperger's syndrome, which is a type of autism. She suffered from inability to effectively socialize and communicate. Selective mutism, which caused her severe anxiety and made her unable to speak in certain social situations. Obsessive compulsive disorder, which caused her to have unreasonable thoughts and fears. Despite the struggles, she believed in embracing her imperfections as they are what makes you, you. She believed that her disorders makes her different from others, making her unable to ignore the future which is advancing to a deathful and destroyed earth, and caused her to act against climate change and global warming, bravely changing world leader to take immediate actions. Now I would like Aman to please take over.
Thank you, Swarnima. I'm Aman Srivastava. I would like to drag all of your attention on the working process of Miss Greta Thunberg. As Anshul told you all, at the age of 15 only, she decided to protest in front of Swedish Parliament by striking the school on every Friday. Many times she lost her hope, but every time she reminded herself that why she is doing all this, and this gave her courage to do so. Later, so many students joined her, and Friday school striking was popularly known as Friday for Future. In December 2018, she got chance to give a speech in United Nations Climate Conference. In January 2019, in World Economic Forum. And finally, in front of European Parliament in April 2019, where she was honored with a standing ovation of 30 seconds for her speech. If you ask me, it's just unbelievable at this age to manipulate whole nation as well as world with this much peaceful manner. If I have to say it in Dr. Siva Prasad sir style, then that girl is just awesome. Now I would like to call Jayesh to continue further.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, yeah. Jayesh.
Jayesh, are you there?
Jayesh is there, but speakers. Echo right? But what a present! My God.
Sir, let us skip this slide and move on to the next one.
Yeah, sure.
I would like to call Sakshi for continuing the slide presentation further.
Superb.
Hello, good afternoon, respected sir and all of my dear friends.
Am I audible? Hello.
Jayesh is back.
Sorry.
Yeah, can we just go back to Jayesh and let him speak, and then we'll, with your permission.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Yeah, Jayesh.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, very good afternoon, respected sir, teacher, and everyone present here. I'm Jayesh Gautam. Now I would like to get all of your attention on the qualities of Miss Greta Thunberg. One of the quality which most inspired us is start small but aim high. It implies that she first started alone in August 2018, holding a sign that is school strike for climate. But at the end, she led 5 lakh person in rally. तो छोटे छोटे गोलों से ही बड़ी सक्सेस मिलती है. And the second is age is just a number. Yes, of course, because she understood at the age of 15 that if I would not breathe, then how I would study. मतलब अगर मैं सांस ही नहीं ले सकती तो मैं पढ़ूंगी कैसे? So she left her school. Greta Thunberg is livingly proof that age is no barrier when it comes to making an impact.
Yeah, sure.
Third one is embrace who are you. This line signifies that love yourself, accept who are you. खुद को अपनाओ, जैसे भी हो, अच्छे हो, खुद से कहो. Now everyone unmute yourself and say loudly, love you zindagi. Love you zindagi.
Love you, Jindagi.
Love you, जिंदगी. यार तूने क्या किया?
Hey, love you, Jindagi.
जय हो.
She, however, sees her disabilities as an advantage in her climate fight. She calling it her superpower. आप लोगों को भी ऐसे ही करना है. अपनी कमजोरियों को अपनी पावर बनाना है. And the fourth is ignore naysayers. Once upon a time, one TV commentator called her mentally ill. But Thunberg is not pressed by the haters. She remains focused and continues strike. तो आप लोगों को भी फोकस करना है अपने गोल पर, क्योंकि लोग तो बुराइयां करेंगे. So fifth one is don't underestimate your power to change the world. One person, one girl can change the world. एक लड़की ने पूरे देश को change कर दिया. We oftentimes think there is not possible one can do, but Thunberg has proved that one can have incredible impact. So from today, we will learn one quality every day. Everyone present here, learn one quality every day and adopt in our life. Thank you so much. Now, Sakshi, please take over it.
Super, my God.
Thank you, Jay. Good afternoon, good evening, respected sir and all my dear friends. I am Sakshi Tiwari. Now I am going to introduce her achievements. Greta Thunberg are bound to inspire a generation of fearless girls to change the world. Now I would call the award she got. Nobel Peace Prize nominated in 2019, second Student Woman of the Year March 2019, Ambassador of the Conciseness Award October 2019, Nordic Concerned Environment Prize 2019, Time Person of the Year December 2019. What is the meaning of Time Person? The first represent born in the 21st century and the youngest ever. These lines meaning वह 21वीं सदी की पहली महिला थी जिन्होंने इतनी छोटी उम्र में, उनकी उम्र थी सिर्फ 15 साल, उस उम्र में उन्होंने इतने सारे पुरस्कारों को प्राप्त किया। नाउ आई वांट टू कंक्लूड दैट जैसे महाराणा प्रताप के पास चेतक था, जैसे चंद्रगुप्त के पास चाणक्य थे, वैसे आज हमारे पास अपनी आवाज है और हिम्मत है। तो जहां गलत हो रहा है वहां अपनी आवाज उठाएं और हिम्मत से जुटे रहें, बिकॉज bravery इज द शार्पेस्ट वेपन ऑफ अ सोल्जर। अगर इतनी छोटी उम्र में वह इन्वायरमेंट को बचाना चाह रही है तो हम क्यों नहीं। तो आओ मिलकर यह संकल्प करें, पर्यावरण को स्वच्छ बनाएं और पेड़ पौधे लगाएं। And lastly, I want to say that Greta is a huge inspiration and role model for us. Now, I would like to invite Aman Srivastav to continue it. Thank you so much.
Sir, this is a video which conclude all of our preparation. So if you are going to play it now.
Some people don't believe the climate crisis.
Sorry, Aman. Go ahead, Aman.
Yes, sir.
Can I play the video?
Okay, sir.
You want to say a few words before I play?
No, sir. I want to say a few words on Lal Bahadur Shastri, which is on the next slide.
Oh, okay.
So, sir, we can play it at the end.
Okay.
Thank you, Sakshi. I'm Aman Srivastav again. I want to speak on the great leader, as you all know, Sir Lal Bahadur Shastri, sir. He was a person who holds many qualities like honesty, integrity, simplicity, and many more. He protested against caste system and gave up his surname as a young schoolboy. As a patriotic young boy, he was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and his call to join the non-cooperation movement at the age of 16 only. When he married in 1928, at the insistence of his in-laws to accept dowry, he took a charka and some khadi cloths. Even he passed away, he reportedly had no property in his name left behind. All these were the qualities of a great leader, which inspires us a lot today also.
Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Sakshi to take over it.
Thank you, Aman. Now I would like to speak great leader Mother Teresa. A life not lived from others is not a life. She was great lady with sweet and simple nature. The most inspiring quality of Teresa is humble in attitude. Mother Teresa was foundation of love, knowledge and inspiration. और उन्होंने अपने जीवन में सेवा का संकल्प अपना लिया था और वह एक संत थी. She was great inspiration for everyone. मुझे उनमें सबसे अच्छी क्वालिटी ये लगती है, वो कभी ये नहीं देखती थी कौन अमीर है कौन गरीब है, सबको इक्वालिटी में रखती थी. दिस इज अ ग्रेट सैल्यूट फॉर मदर टेरेसा. थैंक यू सर फॉर अ ग्रेट सेशन. नाउ आई वुड इनवाइटिंग अंशुल फॉर वोट ऑफ थैंक्स. थैंक यू.
Now we would like to conclude ourselves by thanking Shiva Prasad sir, our university, our mates, to give us this opportunity to explore more about leadership and about this seminar. Thank you.
Thank you. We all thank you. We all thank you. 70 people have heard a great presentation. This is one of the best presentations I ever heard. Madhur, melodious.
Thank you, sir.
It flowed like a song. Oh my God. I salute you. I salute you. I love you all.
Sir, sorry for interrupting, but sir, we salute you for your mentorship, sir.
This is phenomenal.
Because of only you, sir, we are encouraged here and we have given this much PPT, sir, presentation, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Mind blowing, and that's a great. Let me.
If we are awesome, sir, because of you, sir, because you are awesome. That's
people don't.
Sure. Sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Phenomenal. Thank you very much for gifting us such a wonderful, beautiful presentation. COE Indoor, you rocked it today. And you inspired us. You were wonderful presentation. I have no words. I am having mild tears in my eyes. You know, you really touched my heart. And it was like a music for me. Your presentation was like a music for me. Thank you. God bless you. Take good care. Let's give a big round of applause and appreciation for the team CO Indoor for that phenomenal presentation. Now let's go to College of again. They have a second presentation. They wanted to make it. I couldn't stop them. And I'm giving you 5 minutes time. So please quickly go ahead. Drista, Harshit, Chetna, Ritu, and Shiva. 5 minutes. Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Harshit Gupta from RK College of Agriculture, Sihor. Welcome to our presentation. Our team RK College of Agriculture, Sihor are present here to represent today presentation on great leader. Our team members are Drista Kala, Chetna Mandnait, Ritu Chandravanshi, Shivam Sharma, and me. Let me start by express sincere gratitude to you on behalf of my team to you that you gave us another opportunity to represent again, which help us to learn many more new things. And now I request Drista come ahead and continue our presentation.
Okay, thank you. I would like to begin by a great quote by Sir Nelson Mandela. Do not judge me by my success. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got up. Nelson Mandela, who knew a boy whose name in African means tree shaker, will shake the world. The first and former president of South Africa was born in 18 July 1918. He was an activist and politician of African National Congress, a philanthropist and a lawyer. He is majorly known for internal resistance to apartheid, that is, discrimination of people on the basis of color and race. For his efforts, he spent 27 years behind bars as a political prisoner. We can know him more in his autobiography. Sir, next slide.
Good evening.
I would like Shivam to continue.
Superb, Drishti, phenomenal.
Good evening to all. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are.
Myself, Shivam Sharma. Nelson Mandela gave many great motivational and inspiring thoughts. To this time, we are not able to present every thought. Still, I present some thoughts.
Okay.
Like, courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. And it always seems impossible until it's done. Now I will call Ritu for continue. Thank you.
Superb. Thank you, Shiva.
Good evening, everyone. I am Ritu Chandravanshi from College of Agriculture, Sihor. Success achieved by Nelson Mandela, globally regarded as an icon of democracy and social justice. Nelson Mandela received many awards from different countries. He received more than 260 awards over 40 years, and few of them are shown here. Firstly, Nobel Peace Prize in 1963 for their work laying the foundation for a new democratic South Africa. Then next is Bharat Ratna in 1990, and next is Presidential Medal of Freedom in 2002, and next Jawaharlal Nehru Award in 1979. हम सभी जानते हैं, भले हम कितनी कोशिश कर लें फिर भी काले गोरे का भेद हम लोग के मन में आ ही जाता है. आज भी कुछ लोगों की सोच फिर भी ऐसी रहती है. But in South Africa, many discrimination between white and black people. All right and freedom gave only for white people, but Nelson Mandela ended these discrimination, and after that he served as the first president of South Africa from the duration of 1990 from to 1999. Means first black president of South Africa. He was the country's first black head of state. He was the first elected in a fully representative democratic election. Now I would like to invite Harshit. Now I would like to invite Chetna.
Sure. Thank you, Ritu.
Good evening, everyone. I am Chetna Bandnait from RK College of Agriculture, Sihor. And factors that contributed to his success is he was the person of principles and dignity. Second one is he was the person of great integrity. He had an immense power of forgiving people. And fourth is he never compromised on his deeply held values. He was an extremely humble person. He was a strategic leader who knows the importance of continuous learning. He has the capability to challenge the system. And last one is
he worked towards unification.
Yes.
The quotes given by him is, after climbing a great hill, one only finds that there are many more hills to climb. Now, I would request Ritu to continue.
Super, super. Thank you. Thank you.
Leadership lesson that could be learned from other leaders selected by our team members. Then now I would like to invite Harshit. Please continue.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ritu. Myself, Harshit Gupta, and sir, please change the slide. Thank you, Ritu. Myself, Harshit Gupta, and I explain about a great captain and a great leader, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He is a former international cricketer and one of the most successful captain even till now in a cricket. And the leadership lessons from him, I learned that stay calm under pressure. This is the most effective leadership lesson which makes MS Dhoni a great captain. That's why he is, because of this lesson, he is known as a cool captain and known as a very even successful captain ever now. And second one is staying focused. He always focused. And third one is handling failure, and fourth one is competitor respect. This is the most inspiring for everyone, that we have to respect our competitor, whether we have win, whether we have lost.
Yes.
And then he have a capability to handling success, managing egos and legacy personalities. And next one is decision making skills of MS Dhoni, and next one is versatility. Now I request to Drashta, please come ahead and continue.
Thank you. Thank you.
I suggested Barack Obama, the former president of United States. His qualities clearly showed that leaders are not born; they are made, self-made. He led through a crisis, and he is culturally sensitive, courageous, visionary, and organized. The way he saw the world, I don't believe anyone else did this. So this was my suggestion. I would now like to call Shivam for next slide.
Thank you, Drishta. Thank you. Come on, last few seconds for your team to close it. Thank you.
I want to tell little about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist who served as the 11th President of India from the year 2002 to 2007. And the leadership qualities we should learn from him is, be a people's person. Means it is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Any good leader understands the importance of developing the skills of people around him or her. And it is also important that the right talent is recognized and given a proper boost so that the skills never get wasted. Second one is, be ready to acknowledge contribution. Means all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent.
Sure.
And third one is, be prepared always. Means don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Like Dr. Kalam said, a leader must always be ready to face any challenges. No matter how hard you try, failures happen and are very hard to avoid. Fourth one is, be risk taker, and fifth is, be transparent. Now I would request Shivam to continue.
Close it, please. Thank you. Just one quality. One quality is there. Yeah, all the best. One quality.
Shiva. And I represent in front of you the great leader Bala Keshav Thackeray, normally known as Bala Sahab Thackeray. The leadership lessons from him: you do not need the support of an institution or the system if you have the love of your people. You shut up much useless talk if you are clear about what is important to you. Fight tooth and nail for your convictions, and the world notices and gives you the power. You can give a new identity to your people, and they will always be grateful to you for that. Thank you, sir. Now I will call Drashta for continue.
At the end, I would like to thank you, sir, for believing in us and trusting our capability, and for your words of encouragement that made us to try to do better than before, and for all the support and enthusiasm. Hope you liked it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Sir, you are on mute.
Sir? Sir? Sir?
Sir, unmute yourself.
Sir?
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Okay, Shivam.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, Mohit Yadav.
Sir. Hello.
Say something.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, please give us permission to share my presentation.
Who is that?
Sir, Mohit Yadav from College of Horticulture, Mysore.
Mohit Yadav. Hello.
Sir, I want to share my presentation.
One second, just wait a minute. Hello, Mohit, can you speak now? Can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Thank you, Mohit. I think, yeah, definitely I will. Now it's already 5:59, Mohit. I think we should be closing today. And let me check. You will be definitely, you get the opportunity to make the presentation tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow. Definitely you get the presentation. I think it's 6 o'clock. So people should be, yeah. So can we have your presentation tomorrow, Mohit?
Okay, sir. No problem. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please, because it's already 5:59. We should be closing in a minute or two. And I'm so enthralled. I'm so enthralled today, listening to all of you, the beautiful presentations. Can we give a big round of applause? क्या तालियां बजा सकते हैं सब लोग unmute करते हुए एक बार, please?
मजा कर दिया.
मजा आया. Excellent. What a beautiful presentation. My God. Superb. So much learning, so much impact, and so much revelation. मतलब पता चल गया हमारी स्टूडेंट्स की ताकत, स्टूडेंट्स की दम क्या है, पता चल गया अभी. Oh my God, that's phenomenal. I loved it. I enjoyed the presentations. And definitely tomorrow also I want to listen to more presentations. I'm really falling short of time, but still I want to listen to. I want to give opportunity to some more people, the new people, to come up. I want to give one more homework activity for tomorrow, and day after tomorrow again we have presentation. But tomorrow again, I have a small activity. I want to give you. This is about, let me share the presentation. Just give me a few minutes. We are going to close this, but let me share what is the homework activity. I will post the guidelines. I'll post the guidelines on the, we have entrepreneurship skills is one thing. Being, entrepreneurship skills is one thing which we're going to cover tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to cover communication skills, and we're going to cover entrepreneurship skills and selling skills. Selling skill is a life skill. And tomorrow I can tell you is going to be much better than the last 4 days. Tomorrow, please do not miss. Please ask all of your classmates also to join us, those who have not joined us, because tomorrow I'm going to give 10 secrets. 10 secrets to become the greatest person, and the greatest, those 10 secrets are the real secrets I'm going to give tomorrow. So please do join and stay till the end, and also ask others also to join us tomorrow. Okay. And before that, I want to give a small homework activity again tomorrow. This is about becoming an entrepreneurship skills. Okay. So the activity is successful entrepreneur. Today you talked about the great leader. Tomorrow I want you to talk about a successful entrepreneur. So what you have to do is you have to come as a team. So, but before going into the team, before coming for the discussion, first you yourself आप खुद एक सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर को सेलेक्ट कीजिए आपके अंदाज में, जैसे आप समझते हैं who you think is the best entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur, उनका नाम लीजिए और वो आदमी और औरत का क्या सक्सेस है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सोच लीजिए. Then come into the team meeting, then come into Google Meet, कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल, व्हाट्सएप कॉल, जो भी कीजिए उसमें आ जाइए. आने के बाद एक अपन का जो सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर के बारे में टीम को बताएंगे. सो आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू ऑल द टीम मेंबर्स, अगेन जैसे आज ने एक लीडर को सेलेक्ट किया, आप एक एंटरप्रेन्योर को सेलेक्ट करेंगे. वो एंटरप्रेन्योर का नाम क्या है, उनका सक्सेस क्या है, अगेन उनकी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्वालिटीज क्या है वो बोलेंगे. और बाद में लास्ट में जैसे आज दूसरी लीडर के एक क्वालिटी बताया, दूसरे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स का भी एक ऐसी आप बता सकते हैं. यही एक्सरसाइज सिंपल, जैसे आज लीडर के बारे में बताया, कल एंटरप्रेन्योर, स्पेशली बिजनेस पीपल. ऐसे ही रतन टाटा इज आल्सो ग्रेट बिजनेसमैन, बट उनको ऑलरेडी सेलेक्ट हो गया, उनको ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंटेशन हो गया, तो उनको छोड़ दीजिए, रतन टाटा को छोड़ दीजिए, बाकी एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को, क्योंकि रतन टाटा के बारे में ऑलरेडी बहुत सुंदर प्रेजेंटेशन आज हमको सुनने को मिला. सो प्लीज सेलेक्ट other people and come forward again with your presentations. But try to restrict your presentation to 5 rather 6 minutes. For that, आपको पहले ही तैयारी होना चाहिए. Practice. Today you can see some teams, they have prepared so well. The preparation is clear. The preparation is visible. The flow is visible. So that preparation, you people have to have that. And I'm so impressed with your presentations. You are amazing. You are awesome. I'm so honored to be working with you. And tomorrow, 2 ही दिन बचा है. मुझे बहुत कुछ देने का है. दूंगा, कल दूंगा, परसों दूंगा. चाहे तो मैं संडे को भी आपसे मिलूंगा. संडे को भी थोड़ी देर के लिए आपसे मिलूंगा, क्योंकि I'm really enjoying my time with you. Thank you very much. So your presentation should cover name of the entrepreneur, success achieved by the entrepreneur, factors contributed to that entrepreneur means businessman. Entrepreneur में बोलेंगे तो businessman. एक किसान भी entrepreneur है, एक small agri business people. Even your father also, maybe, I don't know if he's a businessman, you could select name of the other entrepreneur selected, and one entrepreneur. And you don't have to, समय कम है ना, इसलिए focus on one entrepreneur in a big way, and about other people you don't have to tell the whole thing, just tell one entrepreneur, listen, we can learn from them. And again, without PPT time, 5 minutes, one member, let every member speak. This is an opportunity. मौका दीजिए, सबको मौका दीजिए, सबको बोलने के लिए मौका दीजिए. And you decide in advance in the order, कौन पहले बोलेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे, उनके बाद कौन आएंगे, ये पता है तो that team effort, team work will be phenomenal. Again, I'm looking for volunteers. Yes, I have already noted down some names like who are they? Homi and Samruddhi, and then Pavan Sharma, then Ankit Parmar, Anshul Sharma, the great singers. Be ready to sing tomorrow and day after. Tomorrow and day after. Tomorrow also, if some of you want to sing, I'll be giving an opportunity. And we have some special speeches. There is another person, I think Akash wanted to make a special speech today, but समय की कमी को इससे आकाश, आपको भी मोहित, आपको भी कल आज का जो प्रेजेंटेशन आपको कल देने की समय मिलेगा. ओके, एक बार जोर से अनम्यूट करते हुए बोलिए, I am a great student.
I am a great student.
I have an amazing personality.
Super, awesome, you're fantastic.
We are
phenomenal. Thank you very much. God bless you. Take good care of yourself. See you again tomorrow. Love you all. You are phenomenal and you are the best. You are awesome. You rocked it today. God bless you. You made my day. Thank you so much for that. See you again tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
3 p.m. See you again tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Phenomenal. Great job. Congratulations. God bless you. See you all tomorrow.